Buenos dias, Spanish fam. As promised, I am in the man cave, see, with Bryn Lily's little art easel. And we are going to talk through some of the Torreya because at a glance, you guys are doing really well. Like, bravo, well done. But I think that I could explain my notes a little bit better, and maybe that would help everyone. So here we go. The first thing we're going to talk about is the Hace time expression paper. I have these numbered for you because this is the order that you should be writing in all of the information. So you'll see that it's like 2, that's the second thing in the sentence that you would need to provide as the subject. Tres is what's going on for how long is number 1. So let's take a look. Hopefully this is helpful. For the first example, for nosotros, okay, we have hace first. If you look, hace is the first element of every single sentence. That's not going to change based on the number in person. It's hace because it's hace. It's an hace time expression. What comes next? The time expression, yay! So that's what you'll see that Senora has these ones for. The textbook kind of confuses you and they put that at the end. That's okay, we can work with it. So it'll be the time expression is what you're going to write as your second component. Then it has to have que, because it does. For my Latin friends, this is the one you say que. No, it's que. And then the second, what Senora has a 2 for, the next thing you're accountable for in the sentence is going to be that subject pronoun. So that subject pronoun would be the second thing that you are writing. And then we have the third element, which is going to be the verb. So if we work through these together, like my example, hace, and then I've got the time expression, that's my number 1. Que, because it has to be there, and Senora wrote that in for you guys. Then we have my number 2, which is nosotros. And then we need my verb, and that's going to be here, vivir aquí. We need vivir aquí to agree with nosotros, but we're going to put it after the hace time expression. What you guys have done, those of you that have submitted your homework, you've done a great job. We've made our chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh, we just forgot to put the chocolate chips in. And what does that mean exactly? Well, you've done this part beautifully. You've done hace, the time expression, but we're forgetting to conjugate this verb. We're not allowed to leave this in the infinitive form. So let's walk through numero dos together. So first we have hace. The first thing you're supposed to write in is the time expression. So we'll write in un hora, que, because it has to be there. And then here's the part where maybe we need a little bit of help. How would we conjugate the verb phrase? Hacer aeróbicos. We need to conjugate for what person? Me, hermana. And then I'm going to write third singular of hacer is hace aeróbicos. And I'm going to just abbreviate it because Senora is going to grade the fact that you have hace, que, and then the second part of the sentence. If we take a look at my next example, hace has to be here. And then I've got my time expression. And then we have que. And then I'm going to bring my subject, like who's done what in this time frame, here. And then this is the part where you're stirring in your chocolate chips, so to speak. You need to conjugate jugar basketball, okay? So it would be jueguen al basketball. Number 4, if we take a look at numero 4, okay? So we have 2. Let's take a look at our time expression. It's un año, so un año. Año is important here. Que, because it's an hace time expression with que. Our subject would be the number 2 here. That's a 2. 2 is 2. And then this is the part where maybe we made some mistakes. We need to conjugate estudiar to agree with second singular, and that would be estudias. And then, of course, biología. Okay, ¿está bien? Okay, if you need me, email, por favor. Send me a text, call, do something. We can work through this. You guys are good, and I know you know this. You're like 99% there. We just forgot to stir in our chocolate chips. I hope you have a wonderful day, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.